Okay, two things. One, that maybe the kind of work that you are doing on your laptop is more demanding now, जो शायद आप एक साल पहले ना करते हो. That's the reason that the system is under load and fan चल रहा है just to keep it, below a certain temperature. Second thing, because it's a sunny, day, usually that we see that the temperatures are going really high, तो हो सकता है because the ambient temperatures are hot in your surrounding, आपका लैपटॉप जो है वो काम कर रहा है जस्ट टू स्टे कूल. थर्ड सिनेरियो अगेन क्वाइट कॉमन जो हो सकता है वो ये कि मे बी देयर इज सम डस्ट इनसाइड, मे बी द सिस्टम वेंटिलेशन इज नॉट प्रॉपर एंड द वेंट्स आर क्लॉग्ड. तो एक बार अगर आपने आप लैपटॉप को ओपन कर सकते हैं द लोअर पैनल, तो आपको अंदर दिखेगा हाउ एग्जैक्टली इज द कंडीशन. आप एक एयर ब्लोअर से जस्ट get rid of all the dust or all the lint, जो कई बार when we use the laptop just on the bed, तो it attracts all that. Vents are usually closed, तो extra जोर लगाता है system, it overheats and produces all these issues. तो that's it. 3 scenarios and I've given you all the solutions. So yeah, I think now you can enjoy your laptop without that extreme fan noise. But yes, अगर आप heavy load पे काम कर रहे हैं तो आवाज तो आएगी and I mean you need to bear that.
Hi Deep. So there have been a lot of power fluctuations in the city, and wherever I plug my device, there's a chance they might get damaged. So is there any way I can prevent that?
See, the solution is pretty simple to be honest. अगर आप एक इन्वर्टर को यूज करते हैं and the modern inverters now have a built-in UPS. So if you have a UPS inverter, things would be under control and I think काफ़ी easy solution है. और because it goes as the front system for the entire house, तो all the appliances would be taken care of just by using a UPS inverter. Okay, so you want to shoot nice photos and videos and the budget is 30 to 40K. Photos definitely आपको बहुत अच्छी मिलने वाली हैं. I can certainly recommend you Vivo's latest Vivo V30 Pro. It has some interesting features and definitely would make sure कि जो आपकी photos हैं वो बहुत अच्छी आएँ and it has those Zeiss features as well. तो आपको बहुत एक अच्छा effect मिलने वाला है अपनी photos में.
Recently, I have been traveling a lot, and I want a way to track my luggage during travel. Is there a device like the AirTag for Android devices?
Well, I can recommend you a very easy one, और ये है Samsung की तरफ से आने वाला Galaxy Smart Tag and it works across all the Android smartphones. बड़े आराम से आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट iOS पे भी आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो द Galaxy Smart Tag, easy choice. Pretty much similar features जैसे आपको AirTag में मिलते हैं, but you can definitely use it without an iPhone. तो yeah, I mean it becomes the obvious choice.